All right, let's ride. I think I just heard G. God damn it. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That footage I got of us yesterday, I was like, yeah, it's awesome. Dude, I went and pulled it up. The camera was like facing way too down. You couldn't even see us, dude. Oh, I was like, that sucks, man. I got it going right now. I actually set it. Check this out. Did you got a little GoPro? Yeah. Shut your mouth, fool. I didn't know you guys would do that.
Yeah, we did that.
So you got the quick app then? Is that how you set it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because like I got it all set. I think I can see everything right now. Hopefully I can see you. It's recording.
Oh yeah, you can see me.
You can see it? Yeah. It's pretty good. I was like, dang man, I wanted to do a couple more rides. Is King gonna ride?
Nah.
Damn it. Are you gonna ride a couple more times?
Yeah.
I'll cruise with you. Yeah, man. Let me start this piece of shit. No, this thing's awesome. I love it. So fun. So fun. You said you drove it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, man. I bet it's quicker with you guys on it, man. It's gotta be cruises.
Jason was on this, I was on that, and he said it took him a minute on this just to catch up to that.
That's wild, man. I don't know. That thing, man, I seen that thing take off before. That thing's fast as crap, though.
Yeah.
So did you check the plug? Your dad changed the plugs in that thing recently?
Not really.
I know the two-strokes, so you got to check them often.
Yeah.
But that thing's awesome. Yeah, I'll cruise with you. Want to go cruise around the house? Would you want to go around here?
Yeah.
Let's get some footage.
Heck yeah.
Let's get some eggs. Go egg some houses. No, I'm kidding.
We already thought about that.
I got filling for Jameson, right? I was gonna send some footage too, so it'd be kind of cool. I'll turn around. That's awesome. He's turning around too. You gonna go this way? is yeah, my pilot I think got clogged. I put the 93 in here. I usually run the non-ethanol. I'm gonna go and edit this thing right now. I can add the it's got GPS on it. It'll tell us how fast we were just going. And I'll send it to you right now, dude. It'll take me like 10-15 minutes.
Okay.
Cool?
Yeah.
All right, be right back. Or I'll hit you up. Huh?
I'm just gonna keep going around.
Do what?
I'm just gonna keep running around.
Yeah, right on, man. I'll hit you up, dude. Awesome, man. Ah, what am I doing? This thing. Carburetors, man, right? Every time. That's all right. Ooh, yeah. Oh yeah, definitely the carburetor. Oh boy. That sucks. I'm gonna shut this camera off.